Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Dbms features. Okay. Today, I am going to explain about Dbms features. Right. First feature. Redundancy can be reduced and inconsistency can be avoided. Okay. Redundancy can be reduced and inconsistency can be avoided. Okay. Redundancy can be reduced and inconsistency can be avoided. Okay. Data redundancy can be reduced and data inconsistency can be avoided. Okay. Here, what is redundancy? What it means? Okay. Redundancy means duplicate data or data repetition. Okay. Redundancy means duplicate data or data repetition. Okay, redundancy means duplicate data or data repetition. Next, what is inconsistency? What it means? Inconsistency means incorrect data. Data inconsistency means incorrect data or data which is not meaningful. Okay. Inconsistency means what? Incorrect data. Or the data which is not meaningful. Okay. So clear? Data redundancy or redundancy means duplicate data or data repetition. Inconsistency means incorrect data or the data which is not meaningful. Okay. Right. Let's see an example of employee table. Okay. An example of employee table. Right. Here in the given table, employee is the table name. Next, employee number, employee name, means salary, department number, department name. Okay, employee number, employee name, salary, department number, department name are the column names. So all these are what? Employee number, employee name, salary, department number, department name are the column names. Right? Next, 1001, some name, 19,010 sales. Okay, the combination of data of multiple columns, the combination of data of multiple columns forms a row. For example, 1001, some name, 19,010 sales. Okay, employee number 1001, employee name, some name, salary 19,000, department number 10, department name sales. Okay, so here these are the data of one row. Okay, data of one row. Okay, right. So clear? 1001, name, 19,010 sales are data of one row. Okay, right. So what is data redundancy? What is redundancy? Duplicate data or data repetition? Yes. So if we look at this table, 10 sales, 10 sales. Okay, so department number 10, department name sales, department number 10, department number sales. It is called a data redundancy. Okay, it is called what? Data redundancy. Here duplicate means duplicate data means not fully. Duplicate data means not fully, but it may be a some part. It may be a some part of record also. Okay, is it clear? Duplicate means not fully, but it may be a some part of record also. Some part of record also is called a data redundancy or duplicate data. Okay, next 1003, some name, 12,020 accounting. Next 1003, some name, 12,020 accounting. Yes, redundancy. It is also called data redundancy. Okay, data repetition or duplicate data. Okay, right. So that is about data redundancy or redundancy. Remember one pointer. If table contains data redundancy, if table contains data redundancy, then data inconsistency may exist in tables. Okay? If table contains data redundancy, then data inconsistency may exist in tables. Okay? For suppose, instead of sales, yes, this is data redundancy. This table contains data redundancy. Yes, data redundancy. So instead of sales, if you are given operations, okay, department number 10, department name sales, department number 10, department number 10, department name sales. Instead of sales, if you are given operations, department name as operations, yes, it is called what? Data inconsistency. Inconsistency data. Okay, it is called what? Data inconsistency or inconsistent data. Okay, so that is about data redundancy and data inconsistency. Redundancy, inconsistency. If table contains redundancy, then inconsistency may exist in tables. Okay, right. By using constraints, okay, by using constraints, data redundancy can be reduced and data inconsistency can be avoided. Okay, by using constraints we can achieve this particular feature. By using constraint we can achieve first feature. Okay, right. Here what are constraints? Constraints are used to give conditions or validations or rules on the table. Okay, constraints are used to give conditions or validations or rules on table so that meaningful data, so that valid data or meaningful data can be stored in the tables. Okay, so constraints are used to give conditions or validations or rules on what? On tables. On table. So that what will happen? Valid or meaningful data can be stored into the table. Okay, valid or meaningful data can be stored in the tables. Okay, so what are the constraints? What are the constraints? Unique constraint, unique, not null constraint, primary key constraint, primary key constraint. Next, foreign key constraint. Next, check constraint, default. Okay, all these are what? Constraints in SQL. Okay, unique, not null, primary key, foreign key, check, default, candidate key, secondary key. Okay, by using constraints we can achieve first feature. Okay, so that is about data redundancy or redundancy, data inconsistency or inconsistency. Okay, so what is the first feature of DBMS? Redundancy can be reduced. Okay, redundancy can be reduced and inconsistency can be avoided. Okay, that's all now. In the next session, we'll see the remaining features. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching.